Welcome back. Now, it's quite possible that you will want to hyperlink some of your content inside of your page. And when you have an HTML editor, you can always use the menu items, and that's going to be the easiest way to do it. However, you will want to make sure that you understand how the code works. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take some of the text. For example, we're going to take this line and we're going to highlight it. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the menu item and we're going to go to the insert menu. And this is how it works inside of Dreamweaver. It may work differently inside of your HTML editor. And we're going to click the hyperlink. And what that's going to do is that's going to bring open a dialog box. And what you'll notice is that the hyperlink has the text "Use Google Drive collaboratively" because that is the text that we are hyperlinking. And what you're going to do is you're going to write in the location online where you want the visitor to go when they click the link on that text. In this case, for the sake of this video, we're going to write in Google. And what we're going to do is we're going to click OK. When you do that, you're going to notice that you have code now for your hyperlink, and you're going to see the structure of that code. You're going to see a bracket, the letter A, then the word href equals, and then you're going to see quotations and the URL. Close quotations and then the close bracket, and that is your opening tag. The closing tag is going to be backslash and then A within the brackets. So whenever you want to hyperlink something, you're going to use a similar pattern around the text that you want to hyperlink. And you'll notice that the hyperlink changes the color of this line of text. And we can do that with any line of text that we want, and we can use the same pattern in HTML. So for example, we can take this code, the opening tag, we can copy that code, and then we can place it around any text that we want. So we can scroll down to another bit of text. We can pick this text, and what we can do is we can put in this opening tag. And naturally, we're going to need to close the tag. And we can close the tag again by using the A command with the backslash. We click inside of our WYSIWYG editor, you're going to notice that this text then changes color, and what this means now is that this text is now hyperlinked. And we can create the hyperlink by using the similar text. If we wanted to change the URL, which URL is going to take the visitor, we can find the text, we can go inside of the quotation marks, and we can change the text. And basically now when someone clicks this link, they're going to be taken to Amazon.com instead of Google.com. So we can use the hyperlink text whenever we want to highlight something specifically and then send people to a page when they click on it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.